Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off or on notifications in Temu. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. After you open the app, you have to click on the U option, which is on the bottom of the screen in the middle. Scroll down until you see the settings, and now you should see the notifications option. And if you want to get SMS notifications, here you have to enter your phone number, then submit it. And there are different kind of notifications like promotions, other order updates, chat messages, your recommendation, customers activity. And if you click on the edit here, you can see that you can turn on and off this kind of notifications. So that's it for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.